What vegetables to sow in April? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and we're here with our monthly video on what to sow this month in April when it comes to vegetables. Now I hope you've got a long list of paper ready, because it's a long list of vegetables that you can sow this month. Literally, you can sow everything this month if you want to bypass the video, but yes, you can get sowing most things now. So save this video or make a list of all these vegetables to sow this month in April. So first up is beetroot, a great vegetable, a great crop, and you'll always get some great rewards from it. Next up are carrots and parsnips. They need somewhere deep to grow so that they get a long big root on them and get growing really well. Next up is radish, a great crop, and you'll always get great rewards from it. Next up are your salad leaves like lettuce, spinach, rocket, all great ones, iceberg lettuces, cut and come again lettuces, any lettuce or salad leaves you can get sowing now. Next up is Swiss chard. Grows a bit like rhubarb, but it tastes totally different. But yeah, Swiss chard you can grow now. Spring onion, I don't grow them in thinned out, I grow them in clumps, and they grow really well together. So you don't necessarily need to thin them out, they will grow really well together. Next up is turnips, another great vegetable to grow. Next up are your peas, your beans, your runner beans, your French beans. All your peas, all your beans can be sown this month, as we've been holding off till April to get all the beans sown, because that is the month to sow them. You can either sow them directly into the ground or in pots first. I grow all mine in pots, as mice and rats like to take them and birds like to pinch the tops off them. So I get them to a decent size before I plant them out and the chance of frost has passed. Next up are leeks. Get sowing these now and they'll be ready around November, December time. Kohlrabi, another great addition to the garden, an unusual vegetable but a great creamy taste to it. Next up is pak choi and mustard greens, another great addition, easy to grow and can have some great rewards from it. Now next up are all your squash plants, like your courgettes, your pumpkins, your winter squash. All those can be sown this month. Again, I get them to a decent size before planting them out and before the chance of frost comes. I don't plant them out until the frost has gone, because the frost can damage them. So get them to a decent size, get them growing indoors, use all your windowsills, all your greenhouse shells, everything, get them growing and hopefully get some great crops from them. Obviously remember, you don't need many courgette plants because they'll produce absolutely loads. Next up is my favourite, sweet corn. Now I've sown about 80 sweet corn seeds because I love them, and I got some great crops last year. If you saw my videos last year, we got some great crops from them. Now you need a big area to grow your sweet corn in, as you don't grow them in rows, you grow them in blocks. So you'll grow them in about 8 rows so that they can pollinate with each other in the wind to get your sweet corn to produce. If you've not sown your tomatoes, get sowing them now, early April, because we are running out of time. They will catch up, and I didn't sow mine until March time because that's when I've always done them, and they always do catch up. Next up are your brassicas, like your cabbage, your cauliflower, your broccoli, your sprouts. All those can be sown this month for great crops throughout the summer period. So have a look at them and get some sown. But make sure you net them, because butterflies like to lay their eggs on them and the caterpillars will devour them. So you need really thin netting over them when you're planting them out. The ones that you can sow and plant straight in the ground now are your potatoes. Get your potatoes in the ground all seasons, like your first early, second earlies, main crop. So plant them all now and they will be ready at different periods. That's the reason for the first earlies, they'll take so long, second earlies take a bit longer, and the main crop take even longer. So get those planted now. Next up are your onion sets, but make sure you net them, because birds will pull them out as soon as the green shoots appear and nibble the tops off them. So make sure they're well netted. And finally are your shallots. Get your shallots planted a bit like onions, make sure that you net them. And yeah, lots to be sown this month. Let me know what you're going to be sowing. I've nearly done all my sowing now, finally, but yeah, we're getting ready to get everything growing, and then we'll be potting them all on. So make sure you share this video, save it, and make a list of all the vegetables to be grown. Drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our growing down here at the allotment. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.